Our flexible vinyl floors B-Design Uniclic are simple and very easy to lay. B-Design Uniclic floors can be laid directly on top of firm, even subfloors like natural wood, concrete, vinyl, and ceramic. We recommend installing sound insulating underlay DB cover 1510 between the old floor and your new B-Design Uniclic floor covering. If your old floor is natural wood, then a minimum of 0.2 millimeters of polyethylene film is required to separate the two surfaces. The underlay used must have a compressive strength of at least 400 kilopascals, be no thicker than 1.5 millimeters, and must be non-adhesive. When laying B-Design Uniclic floors, you need approximately 10% more material than the size of your room. So, for a room of 15 square meters, you would need 9 packets totaling 16.5 square meters. When purchasing your planks, make sure you get packets with the same batch number. Different batch numbers can vary slightly in color. All B-Design floor plank packets have their batch number printed on the side. If you do get more than one batch number, mix the planks from the different packets when laying them to create a more natural look. Our B-Design Uniclic floors are very easy to lay, and you only need a few tools: a utility knife, a straight edge, a tape measure, a pencil, a steel square, a soft-faced or rubber mallet, a tapping block, and some flooring wedge spacers. Now you're ready to start. All B-Design Uniclic floors should be laid from left to right, as the long sides of the planks interlock very easily. Lay the first 2 rows together. It is important that the first row is completely straight, as all the other planks will be connected to it. The planks lock together very easily. Hold the tongue and groove of the plank you're about to lay at a slight angle. You'll know the plank you're holding has interlocked with the previous plank completely when it is flat on the ground. Cutting the last plank of a row to size is very easy. Turn the plank so that the edge to be connected to the previous plank is facing away from the previous plank, and place the current plank over the gap between the previous plank and the wall. Next, mark the plank. Cut it with your utility knife and break off the excess. You'll now have a plank of the right length to complete the row, and the connecting edge will be on the correct side. Stagger the planks of the first 2 rows as shown, and make sure there is always at least 20 centimeters between the short seams from row to row. Close small gaps using your tapping block and mallet. Remember to insert wedge spacers between the wall and the first row of planks on all sides of the room. The gap will be covered by edging strips later on. Once you've laid the first 2 rows, it will be very easy to lay the remaining planks in rows. Laying a plank around projections is also no problem. To do this, measure the protruding object and mark the dimensions on the respective plank. Make sure, however, that you leave a space of 8 to 10 millimeters for expansion around all objects. Next, cut the plank to the required dimensions and break off the excess. If the planks need to be narrower in the last row, you can simply cut them lengthways. This will enable you to lay a narrower last row without any problems too. By opting for a B-Design Uniclic floor, you've chosen a floor that's one of the easiest of all to take care of. For the best possible care and cleaning results, we recommend using B-Design Basic Cleaner, Wipe Care, and Refresher. So you can see that B-Design Uniclic floors are very easy to lay. We hope you're able to enjoy your new high-quality floor for many years.